Hey guys, welcome to the channel, ipublishghostwriters.com. My name is Alex. For those of you who don't know who I am, I publish on Amazon. I self-publish books on Amazon and on many other platforms throughout the world. I sell books, ebooks, print books, and audiobooks. For this video, you're probably someone that is looking to start an online business and make money online. For this video, I'm going to show you one of my income reports just for audible.com for the month of September. It is currently November and I'm in Bali here for the next 2 months or so, celebrating my birthday, working out of here. But stick around, I'm going to show you how easy it is to create passive income, start an online business. This is the easiest business you can start, is self-publishing on Amazon. So stick around, I'm going to show you one of the income streams that come from self-publishing books, where you don't have to be a writer, where you don't have to create content, where you don't have to have a website. You publish on the largest platform in the world, one of the largest platforms in the world, and that's Amazon and its partners. All right, stick around. I'm going to show you what I have in store for you today. All right, guys, so I'm going to take you inside. I'm staying in this villa here. I'm going to take you inside. It's actually where I'm working, and I'm making this money passively online, whether I'm in the US or I'm anywhere in the world. This is the way it works. So let me show you my workspace here for the next 2 months, and let's get right into it. All right, so I'm going to show you what is the best way to make money online 2020, only because I've looked at so many options of making money, like affiliate marketing, e-commerce. All of those things require websites, require traffic, require a lot of things that it's not friendly for beginners. What I'm going to show you here is one of the forms I self-publish. One of the forms that I make money self-publishing is through producing the books into audio format. Once the books are produced, we upload them to audible.com, and then it becomes a passive event. Just like you're seeing, I'm here in Bali, Indonesia, and I'm going to be here for the next 2 months. And the books that are on audible.com for myself, I don't have to worry about ads. I don't have to worry about additional costs. I don't have to worry about shipments, return, all of those things. So this is truly one of the best businesses you can start online if you're a beginner. This is beginner friendly. It's not hard to do, and you could outsource everything. So in this video, I'm going to show you, stick to the end, I'm going to show you income proof of the passive income proof that I had for September. It is currently November, but I want to show you some of the income that I made through audible.com. All right, let's get to it. Hey guys, welcome to the back office here. I'm going to show you September sales, September profits for one account in audible.com. You're looking at audible.com now. For those of you who are not familiar with my work, with what I do, on how we do it, self-published books, and one of the revenue streams is audible.com. So if you might be an Audible listener, you might have not heard of audible.com before, but this is huge. And so I publish books that are on print form, ebook form, and on Audible form. So when you go in here and you're searching for a book, I have books that rank in the top keywords in this platform. So if we were to type in a book, let's say on self-discipline, right, and this is a hot keyword, it's the first keyword in the list of, as soon as you type in self and DIS. So this is a very hot keyword. If you were to look up self-discipline, you could see that in this category there's about 988 books competing for this keyword, self-discipline. I have books in this type of niche, and I sell a ton of books every single month. So I'm going to show you first the sales, the last sales report, which is of September. It is currently in November. I'm here in Bali, and I just want to show you that regardless of where I am in the world, regardless of what I'm doing, these books on this platform, audible.com gets about 26 million people coming through looking for audiobooks every single month. So once you have these books uploaded onto here, and it's not a big deal to do, by the way, you hire a producer, you pay them per hour on a book. So an example here, this book on self-discipline, it's 3 hours. You might pay them $50 per hour. So this might be $150, $160, $180 for them to produce for you in audible form. Then the rights are yours, and then you keep the rights to the book, and then you will make money on it as long as it's on this platform. So years and years to come. So that's what I'm going to show you for those of you who are not familiar with how self-publishing works, how this business works. This is just one segment of the business. This is just another way for you to make money and squeeze money out of your books, profits out of your books. So I'm going to show you. Here. Let's go to the ACX. So this is the back office of Audible.com for those of us who work either producing books or narrating books. In my case, I'm not an author. I'm not a producer. I outsource everything. So as you can see here, 2020, these are the list of the income reports. The last one available is September, 2 months ago. So let's look at that, and let's look at what I made passively from September sales. And this is pure profit. There's no cost here involved. There's no ads running to the audible.com. This is just pure profit. This is what gets deposited, net sales. So activity summary, here is my name. Here is September 2020. I did about $7,447 for this particular month. Now this is extremely low. This is like 1/3 of what I usually make. I make between $15,000, $20,000, and the $20,000 range. The reason for this is, number one, this is a lagging indicator. So when COVID hit, let's say March, April, May, I was still doing $15,000, $20,000 per month. Now this has caught up during that time frame and the halt in production and in the review process for audible.com. So this is now it's when I'm starting to see the sales drop from earlier in the year, because this is a lagging indicator. And let me just show you that. So if I go back to, let's say, to March, when things started to get halted down, shut down, the checks were coming in still very strong for during the time of quarantine. So for example, in March of 2020, $22,000, and it's pretty consistent. The sales are pretty consistent in Audible. If I show you April, it'll probably be better or a little bit less, but it's pretty consistent. I've been doing this for a while, and here we go, 23,000 April 2020. And if I even go back earlier in the year, let's say I go back to January 2020, you'll see that the sales are pretty strong. So this 7,000 dip that we're seeing here, January 2020, $19,000. Sorry, that was a sale coming through for the books on Amazon. This is all day long. So what I want to say to you is that this is really passive. As you can see, it's very consistent. I've shown you January, March, April, and now I have a dip in sales, but it's going to come back up. I'm going to start ramping up. I'm here in Bali. I'm going to start producing books again. Once you get to a plateau where I am and you have a consistent sales flow of print and ebooks and audiobooks, you kind of not get lazy, but you work so hard, and that's the whole point of passive income. And you work up front, and then you enjoy time off, and you enjoy doing the things that you want to do, because that's the whole point. You're not working for the hour. You're working on creating something that's going to continue a stream of income like I've shown you. All right, guys, I just wanted to show you because I got a couple of emails. I wanted to show you what the most recent Audible income was. And as you can see, it's dropped, but you're going to see how we kick it back up to the levels where it had been for the last couple of years. I'll see you on the next one. I hope this inspires you. This is really not difficult to do. This is something that I teach, and I'm providing a lot of videos on YouTube on helping you how to do this. But if you want more information, of course, there's a link to the course that I have to my website, and anybody could do this. I'll see you on the next one.